channel The Random Couple. Welcome to another random vlog. So ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಟನ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡಿಶ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಸೊ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಿಚನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಯಾವ ಡಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್ ನೀವು?
Barbecue honey chicken or honey barbecue chicken.
Honey barbecue chicken. Okay, fine. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ?
It's a very simple process. So yeah, we have all the ingredients.
Okay, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಆಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅವನ ಹನಿ ಬಾರ್ಬಿಕ್ಯೂ ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay.
Let's start. Okay, let's go. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹಾಫ್ kg ಚಿಕನ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ಕೋ ಚಾಯ್ಸಿಂದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
So we're going to put salt first.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ?
Salt, how much ever we need. We're going to marinate this with salt and pepper.
ಓಕೆ.
Once we marinate this with salt and pepper, that's going to be our only main thing. No masalas, no garam masala.
ಓಕೆ
Okay.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾರಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್.
Now I'll put the salt.
ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸಾಕಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್.
And then
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ.
So I'm going to put a little bit of pepper over it because we're going to mix the chicken breast all together.
ಓಕೆ.
So you can put either white pepper or black pepper. If you want it to be a little, honey and little spice, you can put a little bit of red chili powder.
Red chili powder.
To give that kick.
Okay. Fine.
And
Next
now
is...
we're going to mix it up.
Okay. This marinate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
Marinate, just keep it for about 5 minutes. By the time we'll get our dough. What is that? All-purpose flour ready.
Okay. Fine.
So this, this color should come little if you have put red chili powder.
Okay.
Powder. So I'm going to dip each one of this, coat it with the all-purpose flour. I'm just going to give it a good coat.
Okay.
Okay. A little bit thick you need it. I'm going to rest it here. So because I've cut the pieces. You can actually, what you can do is if you have 2 big chicken breast pieces, it's much more easier to coat it first, put the marination, coat it first and then put it in the pan and then cut it later. So give it a thick coat. So we're not going to keep the flame so high, we want it to cook very well. So slowly what we're going to do is we're going to cook each side of these pieces for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Just dip it back in a coat if you want it a little more crispier. It's going to take some time to cook, its own sweet time, but you guys have to be patient if you guys want good things.
ಸಾಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಬಟರ್,
1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then what we're going to put now is, can I use this? Some
what
soya
is that?
sauce.
Soya sauce. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೂನ್?
So 2 tablespoons of soya sauce.
Okay, bas. Okay, next.
then we're going to keep the flame very low.
Bandhata. Next, sir, try this.
We're going to put some honey.
Okay, honey.
We're going to put 3 tablespoons of honey. And then we're going to add little water.
Okay.
About 50 ml of water.
Okay, water. Okay.
Now you stir it.
Okay. So garlic, soya sauce, honey, yeah, and then water. That's all. And stir it.
And it has to come thick.
Thick.
Yeah.
So stir ಮಾಡಿ thick ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೃಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ thick?
To make it thick.
Oh, is that? Okay, fine. We'll see. Okay, this is cooked.
This is cooked. Now,
okay.
Oh my god, what a flop show almost.
Okay, 10 minutes ಆದ ನಂತರ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
So let this cook a little more.
Okay.
And then the remaining I'll put it. See, now you can see the curry is boiling, the sauce is boiling.
ಸಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಥಿಕ್ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು.
I'll put little bit more. I'll make little bit more sauce.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಥಿಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಸಾಸ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕನ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಸ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಸು
We unfortunately burnt 2 breast pieces. So we're going to keep that aside. How is it? Except the burnt one? It's good.
salt is little less. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹನಿ ಬಾರ್ಬಿಕ್ಯೂ ಚಿಕನ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಬರ್ಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕಮ್.
First. Oh, you want some coriander on it?
No sauce. Little extra sauce.
This has salt. It's dipped in sauce.
Okay, fine.
So, if you want little extra sauce, what you can do is you can take this, dip it.
Okay, fine. It's tasting time now. Nanu dip ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Wait. Okay.
Okay. 3,
Cheers.
2, 1.
Cheers.
Not bad actually. That sweetness flavor is there. I will get that some kind of barbecue sauce kind of thing.
Yeah, it's like chicken wings only. That sauce, so barbecue chicken wings kartane. So are same sauce, but illi chicken breast ige. So it's like barbecue chicken breast antane helbodu.
Exactly. And you guys can use this to make chicken wings or anything.
Yeah. See, tumane tasty agi.
It's actually very easy to cook.
Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah.
Because it was our first time, we took a little bit of, I think about half an hour.
Yeah, it's going
minutes.
to be dead. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಹನಿ ಬಾರ್ಬಿಕ್ಯೂ ಚಿಕನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯು?
I liked it.
Okay.
I would rate it like 8 out of 10.
Okay, fine. Me too. 8 out of 10. So, yeah, that's all for the day.
A long time cooking.
Okay. That's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. And nimage enadru namage message, ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡೋಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್.